Hello Grade 10 American System, this is Mrs. Nancy. Today I'm going to continue section 12.2 Chemical Calculations. Calculating molecules of a product. So please open your books, page 395, sample problem 12.5. The question is, how many molecules of oxygen are produced when 29.2 grams of water is decomposed by electrolysis according to this balanced equation? So the first step, start with the given quantity and convert from mass to moles. So the number of moles of water is equal to the mass divided by the molar mass equal 29.2 grams divided by 18 grams per mole, and the answer is 1.62 moles. Then convert from moles of reactant to moles of product. So we write number of moles of water divided by the coefficient 2 equal number of moles of oxygen divided by the coefficient 1. So number of moles of oxygen equal number of moles of water divided by 2, and the answer is equal to 0.811 moles. The last step, finish by converting from moles to molecules. So molecules of oxygen equal number of moles times Avogadro's number, and the answer is 4.88 times 10 to the power 23 molecules of oxygen. Number 15. How many molecules of oxygen are produced by the decomposition of 6.54 grams of potassium chlorate KCIO₂? So the first step, we need to find the number of moles of potassium chlorate. So mass divided by molar mass equals 6.54 divided by 122.6 grams per mole, and the answer is 0.053 moles. Then we write number of moles of potassium chlorate divided by the coefficient 2 equal to the number of moles of oxygen divided by the coefficient 3. So number of moles of oxygen equal 3 times 0.053 moles divided by 2, and the answer is 0.08 moles. The last step, molecules of oxygen equal 0.08 mole times Avogadro's number equal 4.816 times 10 to the power 22 molecules of oxygen. Number 16. The last step in the production of nitric acid is the reaction of nitrogen dioxide with water. The question is, how many grams of nitrogen dioxide must react with water to produce 5 times 10 to the power 22 molecules of nitrogen monoxide? Start with the given quantity and convert from molecules to moles. So N equal 5 times 10 to the power 22 divided by Avogadro's number, and the answer is 0.083 mole of nitrogen monoxide. Then find the number of moles of nitrogen dioxide, which is equal to 3 times number of moles of nitrogen monoxide divided by 1 is equal to 3 times 0.083 moles, and the answer is 0.249 mole. The last step, find the mass of nitrogen dioxide. Mass equal number of moles times molar mass equal 0.249 moles times 46 grams, and the answer is 11.5 grams NO2. Volume stoichiometric calculations. Sample problem 12.6. How many liters of nitrogen dioxide are produced when 34 liters of oxygen react with an excess of nitrogen monoxide? Assume conditions are at STP. Start with the given quantity and convert from volume to moles. So we start by number of moles of oxygen equal V divided by molar volume is equal to 34 liters divided by 22.4, and the answer is 1.517 moles of oxygen. Then we use number of moles of nitrogen dioxide divided by the coefficient 2 equal to number of moles of oxygen divided by the coefficient 1, and the number of moles of nitrogen dioxide equal 2 times number of moles of oxygen, and the answer is equal to 3.03 moles. Finish by converting from moles to liters. N of nitrogen dioxide equal V divided by Vm, and the volume equal 3.03 moles times 22.4 liters, and the answer is 68 liters. The equation for the combustion of carbon monoxide is 2CO plus O2. It gives 2CO2. How many liters of oxygen are required to burn 3.86 liters of carbon monoxide? So start with a given quantity and convert from volume to moles. So number of moles of carbon monoxide equal V divided by molar volume, and the answer is 0.172 moles of carbon monoxide. And then we write number of moles of carbon monoxide divided by the coefficient 2 equal number of moles of oxygen divided by the coefficient 1. So number of moles of oxygen equal number of moles of carbon monoxide divided by 2, and the answer is 0.086 moles of oxygen. Finish by converting from moles to liters, and the answer is 1.93 liters of oxygen. Number 18. Phosphorus and hydrogen can be combined to form phosphine, pH 3. How many liters of phosphine are formed when 0.42 liters of hydrogen reacts with phosphorus? So step 1, start with a given quantity and convert from volume to moles. So number of moles of hydrogen equal V divided by molar volume equal 0.42 liters divided by 22.4, and the answer is equal to 0.01875 mole of hydrogen. Second step, write number of moles of hydrogen divided by the coefficient 6 equal number of moles of pH 3 divided by the coefficient 4. So now find the number of moles of pH 3, which is equal to 4 times number of moles of hydrogen divided by 6, and the answer is 0.0125 mole of pH 3. The last step, finish by converting from moles to liters. So V equal number of moles of pH 3 times molar volume, and the answer is 0.28 liters of pH 3.